Greetings from Ireland, comrades, brothers and sisters. There really are no words to describe the savagery, the barbarism of Israel's genocidal assault against the people of Gaza. This is mass murder, slaughter, genocide happening in front of the eyes of the world. And Rishi Sunak and Joe Biden and Keir Starmer and every government that has given Israel impunity has the blood of Palestinians on their hands. These people have no humanity. None. Their claim to represent democracy, civilization, international law has been exposed as a horrific lie. This is the naked face of imperialism and of colonialism. But it's not just ceasefire. If there was any doubt, there is none now. The state of Israel has no place in the civilized world. Can you say that a regime capable of this slaughter has a place in a civilized world? How can you say a regime that was built on terrorism, on ethnic cleansing, on decades of occupation, of the siege of Gaza, of the relentless persecution of the Palestinian people, has a place in the civilized world? It has none. It has no right to defend itself any more than apartheid South Africa had a right to defend itself. Would anybody seriously say that? Israel, like apartheid South Africa, is a criminal oppressor state. And it must be brought down. It must be dismantled. If the people of Ireland had the right to resist colonialism, if the people of Algeria had the right to resist colonialism, if the people of Vietnam had the right to resist imperialism, if black South Africa had the right to resist apartheid, Palestinian people have the right to resist the apartheid